If you are a beginner at makeup and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know anything about makeup, come. I want everybody to gather around. If you fit that description, bring it in, bring it in. Welcome back to Reva Beauty Channel, where we discuss all things makeup, beauty, and lifestyle for more mature women. My name is Misha. Let's get the tutorial started. I'm about to show you how to achieve a 5-minute makeup routine with only 6 products. And the best thing about it is there is no foundation. It is extremely easy. We are going to first moisturize our skin. So please grab your moisturizer. All right, so we are going to moisturize our lips. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I like makeup, but foundation is annoying to wear every day. I just can't do it. And for a long time, I really wouldn't wear makeup during the week because I didn't like wearing foundation every day. Like, it's irritating. So I came across someone who did a regimen using BB cream every day. And I mean, it's the best. It doesn't feel like foundation. It's not very heavy. It gives you a little bit of coverage, makes your skin feel smooth. It has SPF in it. Very, very moisturizing. So BB cream is just like a tinted moisturizer, okay? It's a moisturizer and it has a little bit of color. So I am using the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. We are just going to rub that into our fingers. And we're just going to now rub it all over our skin. Literally, just like we would do a moisturizer, okay? I'm actually putting in some more because I need some more. We are rubbing that all over our skin. We're rubbing it on our forehead. We're rubbing it around our nose. We're bringing it to our eyelids up under our eyes. All right, we want to just make our skin look very even. You see how it's like not heavy? It's like not heavy. It blends in. Like, it's really almost impossible to make your skin look cakey. Now, it's because it is just like a tinted moisturizer, it's not gonna cover up all your acne scars, okay? And honestly, if you do want to do that, then you could like apply concealer. You can apply more, or you can apply concealer to hide those. To be honest with you, in real life, I'm not doing that. Like we human, y'all. We human. We're women. You may have acne scars. Like, I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal. And I'm not trying to look perfect. You know, it's unfortunate that in this society, in the social media realm and age, the goal is to make yourself look perfect because that's how they look online. Next, concealer. Concealer. This is the ColourPop Concealer. All right. And all of these products are like extremely affordable. So that's why I am using those. Because it's like when you're first starting your makeup, starting to learn how to do your makeup, you don't need to spend a lot of money. You want to get the most affordable products, use those to practice, and then you can spend some money on some products. So we're just going to put that right up under our eyes. All right. This is going to get rid of dark spots under our eyes, brighten up our eyes a little bit, and then we are going to take our sponge and we're going to rub it under some water. And we are going to just dab that up under our eyes. And also we're going to dab it up. We're going to like bring it to our eyelids as well. So we're going to dab that on our eyelids. We're going to dab and blend that out up under our eyes. We're going to bring it out to our hairline. Okay. We're going to do the same thing on this side. So dab that up under your eyes. Blend it out. Put it on your eyelids. Okay. All right, so the next step is blush. So yeah, so I am using this is the e.l.f. blush in Coral Crush shade. And I'm just gonna dot that right on the tops of my cheeks. So not on the balls of my cheeks, but right here on the tops of my cheeks. And I'm gonna blend that in. You see, I'm pressing that into my cheeks. And you see how it gives like a very like light kind of flush, right? It gives like a light flush. Let me come closer. It gives like a light flush. It's not like a very dramatic blush look. Some of the girlies like it, and I love that for them, right? But we are just gonna keep it very, very simple. You know, if you're wearing this to take your kids to school, to run errands, to go to the grocery store, to do certain daily things, you know, if you're going to work, you know, you need to hurry up and get out the house, like that's, and you still want to look natural, you still want to look professional, like this is the kind of look that you can do every day. That's not going to take you a whole bunch of time. All right, so next we are going to put on our finishing powder. All right, finishing powder. Again, this is a 5-minute makeup and this is a beginner makeup. So I'm using the MAC finishing powder. It is in my skin tone and a fluffy brush. And we're just gonna dab that and just apply that all over the face. Make sure you get it on your eyes, in the middle of your forehead, top of your forehead. It's gonna keep your makeup set all day. All right, next is our eyes. So you could use either or liquid eyeliner, and I have the ColourPop liquid eyeliner. That's what it looks like. Or you could use mascara, or you use mascara. I am using the Benefit They're Real mascara. This is about the only mascara that does anything to my eyelashes. I was not blessed with long eyelashes, so that's the only thing that gives my eyelashes any kind of chance. All right, otherwise I'm wearing lashes, but on a regular day I don't wear lashes because so anyway. All right, so we are just going to apply the eyeliner. For me, since I have small eyes, I have to apply the eyeliner in a very thin, very thin layer. I'm just applying that right along my lash line, starting in the middle, and as I go to the outer corner of my eye, I'm just making the line a little bit thick, adding a little bit of tail at the end. Is that what they call it, a tail? Adding a little bit of tail at the end, and then adding a thin line along my lash line right at the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm just connecting the two lines. Y'all, as many years I've been doing eyeliner, I still have not mastered it, but I do the best that I can. I think it's harder for people with smaller eyes. I'm wondering, because I be struggling. So I'm just doing another eye. Ooh. Y'all see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Look at me, messing up. Messing up. Oh. This is why I said either mascara or eyeliner, because this is what's gonna make the 5-minute makeup video not 5 minutes no more. So I highly recommend that you just use mascara, it's faster, but I use both. Cause I messed up, now I gotta fix it. All right. All right, got a little technical difficulty. All right, next is our mascara. Honestly, I recommend you only, if you are having blessed with eyelashes, only use mascara. Now I'm just going to, as I bring it up, I want to thicken my eyelashes. I'm going to just move it back and forth across my eyelashes just to thicken them. Add some volume to them. Do the inner lash. Do the next one. Do the same thing. Move it back and forth up the lash. Right? And lastly, our last product is our lip oil. Lip oil. All right, so this is the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil, and it is in the color Hot Shot. And I'm just gonna apply that. Give my lips some shine. All right, and that's it. So I'm about to put my jewelry on and put my shirt on so that I can be finishing up and doing all the rest of the stuff I need to do today. Alright, so that is our 5-minute 6-product makeup tutorial. If you have never done makeup before, you don't know anything about makeup, try this tutorial. I promise you this is going to jumpstart you on your makeup journey. It's so easy. This is very minimal product. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, please like, share this video, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.